I just found this channel. It's a new channel that has only uploaded a few videos, and it's already monetized. Yes, it's fully monetized. This made me wonder about the income of this type of channel. If a channel uploads only 15 to 20 videos and starts earning thousands of dollars per month, then of course everyone would want to create videos like these and make money too. But many people think making this type of video is difficult, right? No, it's actually not difficult, because today, I'm going to guide you step by step and show you the tool you need. It's completely free. You don't need to pay, you don't need a credit card, and there's no complicated login process. I mean totally free. I'll also show you how to create these videos consistently without stress. So don't worry, just follow me and let's get started. Then I opened ChatGPT, which is my favorite AI tool. Honestly, without it, creating these videos would be much harder for me. I simply took a screenshot of the channel, pasted it into ChatGPT, and wrote one line. I want to create ASMR car restoration. Videos like this. Please give me 15 consistent prompts for a 20-minute video. That's it. Very simple. When I pressed enter, ChatGPT generated amazing prompts that matched the same style, character, and look I wanted. It felt like I already had a full video plan ready in seconds. With these prompts, you can easily create long, consistent ASMR restoration videos without stress. You don't need a big team or expensive tools, just the right prompts and workflow. Now I'll show you how to use those prompts step by step to create your own video. Now I'm on a website called Grok AI. I recommend this tool because it's completely free. Yes, you can create videos very quickly, even within seconds. I know it might sound hard to believe, but I'll show you proof step by step so you can see everything yourself. All I do is paste my prompt into the tool. Make sure the video size is set to 480p because the free version supports this quality. But don't worry about that at all. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to convert these clips into full HD for free and make them look even more professional. Just keep watching and follow the steps carefully. I paste the first prompt and check the speed. Within a few seconds, the video is generated. The style, lighting, and animation already look very impressive. Then I paste the second prompt and wait for a moment. Honestly, it takes only a few seconds again. It's so fast that you can literally generate multiple scenes back to back without wasting time. You can keep pasting prompts one by one and build a full sequence of scenes. This is how you create a long 15-20 minute ASMR restoration video without stress. I tested this many times and created multiple clips just to make sure the quality stays consistent. I'm showing this to you because many people think tools like this are paid or difficult to use, but this one is simple and totally free. After generating each scene, download the videos one by one. Later, you can combine them in any video editor to create a full, long video. If you keep your prompts consistent, your character, environment, and lighting will remain the same throughout the video, which makes everything look smooth and professional. You'll also notice that in some scenes, the tool can generate sound or background audio that matches the situation. This makes your video feel more realistic and satisfying to watch. For ASMR restoration videos, these small details make a huge difference and help viewers stay longer on your video. The key here is consistency and patience. Don't rush, generate each scene carefully, keep your prompts similar, and build your video step by step. When you follow this process, you can easily create long videos again and again without getting stuck. Many people ask me, is this really free? Yes, it is. That's why I'm making this tutorial. So you can start creating without worrying about cost. You don't need expensive software, you don't need a powerful PC, and you don't need a big team. Just the right prompts and the right workflow. And remember, there is also an upscale option available. As I promised earlier, I'll show you how to convert your 480p videos into full HD quality for free. This will make your final video look even sharper and ready for YouTube. I'll guide you step by step so you can do it easily. So keep watching. Till the end, don't skip any step and follow exactly what I'm doing. Once you learn this process, you'll be able to create unlimited ASMR restoration videos consistently and grow your channel faster than you expect. Now I've imported all the generated clips into Filmora. This is the step where we combine everything and make the video look smooth and professional. First, arrange all your clips in order on the timeline according to your prompts. Make sure the scenes flow naturally from one to another so the video feels continuous. After that, you can add transitions between clips. Filmora has many transitions available, but try to use simple and smooth ones so the ASMR style stays relaxing and clean. You can also add light effects or color adjustments if needed, but don't overdo it. The goal is to keep the video calm and satisfying. Next, add background audio or soft ambient sound. You can use gentle music, workshop sounds, or light environmental audio to make the video more engaging. Keep the volume low so it doesn't distract from the visuals. If you want, you can also add subtle sound effects like cleaning, water, or metal sounds to match each scene. These small details make ASMR restoration videos more enjoyable to watch and help increase watch time. Once everything looks good, preview the full video and check for any cuts or timing issues. After that, go to Export Settings and export your video in high quality. Choose Full HD if possible so your final result looks sharp and professional. And that's it. Your long ASMR restoration video is ready to upload. With this workflow, you can keep creating videos consistently and grow your channel step by step.